Hello, and welcome to the first episode of Listen, Learn, and Earn. Today, we're talking about something incredibly empowering: how to build multiple streams of income. This isn't just about making more money, it's about creating financial freedom, reducing stress, and building a life where you're not tied to a single paycheck. If you've ever wondered how to get started or how people manage to earn from several sources, you're in the right place. Grab a cup of coffee or tea, settle in, and let's get started. First, let's explore what multiple streams of income actually mean. The concept is straightforward but powerful. Instead of relying solely on one job or business, you create several ways to bring in money. Imagine your financial situation like a table. If that table has just one leg, your job, for instance, and that leg breaks, the table collapses. But if the table has 5 or 6 legs, it becomes much sturdier. That's the essence of why building multiple streams of income is so important. When you rely on only one income stream, your financial stability can feel fragile. For instance, what happens if the company you work for downsizes, or if your freelance clients suddenly disappear? This is where having multiple streams of income gives you power. It not only reduces risk, but also opens up opportunities to earn more and achieve your goals faster. Imagine being able to save for a home, pay off debts, or even retire earlier than planned because you've built a system that works for you. Now, let's get into how to actually build these streams. The first step is always to start with what you know. Think about your current skills, job, and hobbies. Everyone has something valuable to offer. Maybe you're great at writing, designing, or even organizing things. These talents can often be turned into an additional source of income. For example, if you're skilled in graphic design, you could begin freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Or if you're a teacher or someone with expertise in a specific area, online tutoring or creating educational content could be your starting points. Starting small is perfectly okay. In fact, it's the best way to begin. Building an additional income stream doesn't mean you need to quit your job or drastically change your lifestyle overnight. You can start with just a few hours a week and grow from there. Small, consistent steps lead to big changes over time. Once you've identified a way to earn actively, let's talk about the magic of passive income. Passive income is money that keeps coming in, even when you're not actively working on it. Think about renting out a property, earning dividends from stocks, or even selling a digital product. Real estate is a classic example. If you have some savings, investing in a rental property can provide steady income over time. But if buying property feels too overwhelming right now, you can look into real estate crowdfunding platforms where you can invest smaller amounts. Another fantastic avenue is dividend-paying stocks. These are shares of companies that pay out profits regularly to their investors. It's a long-term strategy, but incredibly rewarding when done right. Similarly, creating digital products like an ebook, an online course, or templates for professionals can be an excellent passive income stream. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them repeatedly without much extra effort. Beyond passive income, you can also explore active side hustles to boost your earnings. Many people these days are turning to platforms like Uber, DoorDash, or TaskRabbit to earn extra cash. These require time and effort, but offer flexibility, making them great options for evenings or weekends. Even simpler ideas, like flipping items on eBay or running a small online store, can make a difference. Another incredible opportunity lies in monetizing your knowledge. Have you ever thought about starting a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a podcast like this one? Sharing your expertise not only creates an income stream, but also builds your personal brand. For example, if you're passionate about cooking, you could start a blog sharing recipes or even a YouTube channel with tutorials. Over time, these platforms can be monetized through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Speaking of affiliate marketing, let me quickly explain how it works. Essentially, you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. If someone buys a product using your referral link, you get paid. It's a simple concept, but one that can generate a significant income stream if done consistently. Amazon's affiliate program is a popular starting point, but there are many others depending on your niche. As you work on building these streams, it's important to remember that consistency is key. None of this happens overnight. It takes time to learn, grow, and establish multiple income streams, but the effort is worth it. Imagine waking up one day knowing that you're earning from a job, a rental property, a blog, and some investments. That's the power of financial independence. It's also crucial to manage your time effectively. Balancing multiple streams doesn't mean working nonstop. Instead, think of it as designing a system that works for you. Maybe you dedicate certain hours of the week to your side hustle and weekends to developing passive income projects. Time management tools and habits can make this process smoother and less stressful. Lastly, let's discuss the long-term strategies that can really solidify your financial future. Investing in index funds is a great place to start. These funds track the performance of the entire stock market, offering low-risk, consistent growth. You can also contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. These aren't immediate income streams, but they're vital for ensuring financial security in the future. Building multiple streams of income isn't just about money. It's about freedom. Freedom to live life on your own terms, pursue your passions, and secure your family's future. It's about giving yourself the power to say yes to opportunities and no to things that don't serve you. Whether you're starting with a small side hustle, diving into real estate, or creating a digital product, every step you take brings you closer to that freedom. The beauty of this journey is that it's entirely customizable. Not every stream of income will work for everyone, and that's okay. The key is to find what aligns with your interest, strengths, and resources. For instance, if you're not comfortable with the risk of investing in stocks, you might prefer building a business. If you don't have the capital to invest in real estate, starting an online side hustle might be your best bet. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. One piece of advice I want to leave you with is to reinvest in your streams as they start to grow. If your side hustle brings in some extra cash, consider putting that money into creating another income stream. This strategy is called income stacking. Over time, you'll create a network of financial resources that feed into each other, making your entire system stronger and more reliable. Also, remember that financial literacy is a cornerstone of building wealth. As you begin to earn from multiple sources, educate yourself on managing your money effectively. Learn about taxes, savings, and investments so that you're not just making money but also keeping and growing it. Books, podcasts, and online courses can be excellent resources to guide you along the way. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this thought. Building multiple streams of income is not just about wealth. It's about resilience. It's about giving yourself options and the ability to navigate life's uncertainties with confidence. Whether you're starting small or diving headfirst into a big project, every effort counts. You have the power to take control of your financial future one step at a time. Thank you for joining me on this episode of Listen, Learn, and Earn. If you found this podcast helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might benefit from this knowledge. And of course, subscribe to stay updated on our upcoming episodes. Until next time, take care, keep learning, and keep building those streams of income.